That's what it would be like if you actually died.
What is this thing?
It's death.
You gotta win.
I don't remember how to go.
You die. No, I'm not. Dude, if you hit them with the bottom of your... Nice! Oh, God!
Oh, God! Oh, I didn't make it.
It's actually on your YouTube video.
I don't like him anyways. Only if I could block him out with some go.
I wanna hit the bottom for Christmas.
Get rid of Timmy.
You got rid of yourself. Keep Timmy. He's a good
Timmy!
Is that what that's for?
Oh!
It's all mouse the computer.
Block.
Yeah.
Ah!
Apparently you guys want to be on it. You have
Why do you
5
have-
seconds before I
Do you
turn
still
it
have
off.
your arm around me? I'm fine.
Eli, did you have a busy
No, I got good on
day? Okay. Well, a pregnant woman got lost in the woods, fought bees, and gave birth. You thought you had a busy day.
Oh, I didn't.
So, my, you know, you can put quotes on, like, Instagram and stuff.
Yeah.
My quote is, life is like a box of deleted emails.
My life is like a box of bleach. You drink it, you die. What the heck? Oh, what did I do?
You memed it.
The X-Files music.
Oh, God!
Oh, God!
Yeah.
Oh, God! That was me.
Are you supposed to be on
Oh, it's Happy Wheels. Take a picture.
Happy Wheels is awesome.
this? Oh, it's Happy Wheels.
Yeah, it's happy, even though.
Oh, it's not Happy Wheels.
Turn the volume down.
Are you really, like, recording?
Yeah.
Like, the game?
Yeah.
How?
Watch.